So when you install those screws, they're a bit crooked, a bit sideways. They go with the handle. It's the plastic. Go, it's a bit. Throw that in. No, not that side. Head up. Go. I am in. Okay. There you go. Now you have to play with those wire here. That's maybe gonna be the fun part. I don't have the kind of good connector, butt connector for it. So I'm gonna improvise something. Maybe I'm gonna reuse those with some duct tape and yeah, shrink wrap duct tape. I'm just gonna straighten the wire a bit. Oops. I'm gonna stop hitting the camera too. It's super shaky maybe with the camera on the table like that. Beautiful motto in the morning. We're gonna go forward, fast forward on that. Okay. Where's the other braid? Where are going those wires? They should be placed somewhere nice. Okay, there's a slot here. So there's a small thing here, like this. But this one going far over there. And there's a slot. There's another slot here somewhere. I see there's a dent, there's another dent. This going here. Something. Here. Shucks. Yeah, they're all going like that. Something. There's a black one too. Where's the black one? What's this doing with the black one? That's the black one. Black one. Go here. Cut. Why? Here, see? We can just do that. Can we? Yeah, why not? Go here. Wow. Oh, you're good here. You're good. Just like this. Seems all great. Okay, so now I'm gonna have the yellow here. Okay, I know yellow here. Where's it going? Right under. I'm gonna trim this and this and this. I'm gonna try it first. This, this, this. Is it gonna go in there? No, not easily. Maybe. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. All the braid gonna go in? Sure, no. This one, two, those here. Buckle up. No, yeah, no, no, yeah, no. No. Try to open the pin more. So I have found those wire connector for cars. So I crimped those wire. I done a pull test. It's all good. So I think I'm gonna cut them. And if I see the head, maybe I'm gonna solder the tips, all the wire together here in the prong. And yeah, so it's kind of good with that. Already I think it's pretty nice. I'm gonna let it like that. I'm gonna, oh, still the metal here. So I'm gonna do the same here. And I'm gonna see if there's space to put those blue thing inside the box. And maybe I'm gonna put some electric tape around just to damper the vibration on the box maybe. And cut. Alright. So finally I put those, the butt thing, and I cut them. I'm pretty sure with the wire, all that, it's all connected very strongly. And I'm gonna put some electric tape on the top because I don't want this to contact. But I could practically test it right now. So I have continued out of the camera. I screwed down the cover here. I put that on. So I put the 4 screw in here. I put the cover, clip the cover here on top. I test it, seems to work. It's 40% the battery. It's written 40%, so yes. So it's very important to respect the order. Put the gray cover before the top here. You have to disassemble again that part so we can put the screw, those screws in. Okay, let's do that. So now I'm gonna put the handle because I want to put the screw, but yeah, there's no cover. Put that in. For the last part to assemble, wish, hope, snap, 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 snap. Here, snap, snap, snap. Oh, there's a screw. I put that screw to here for nothing, maybe. Is it? No. Snap, snap, snap. Snap. No. No, yes, no. Oh, I'm gonna go. So I'm just doing the final screw here. It's all together. There we go. Put that thingy here. Oops. Got the battery. I got that thingy here too. Oops. This. Oops. And the battery. Sticks. What happens if we push? Nothing. The battery was not in. So I like the sound. It's getting lower and lower and lower. And if I put my hand, keep it on for a long time. It's okay. There's a button on top there too. It's wearing something. I think it's stuck here. Not sure what's that symbol here. Do you see? Red spinning. This one is pretty good, I think. There we go.